To find hidden Roblox settings nobody knows about. So in here, the very first thing that you need to do is obviously get into your Roblox and then log into your account. Then from here, we're now going to get to our settings. For that, you need to click on this gear-like icon that you'll be able to see on the top right corner. After doing that, click on settings. Then from here, what we're going to do is simply from here, we're going to click on the parental controls, right? So if you simply click on it, now you will be able to actually manage your child's Roblox experience, meaning so you can actually link your account to your child's account in order to access to your parental controls, and then you can actually manage their screen time, friends, spending, and more. This is how you'll be able to do it, right? So another thing would be simply click on the notifications right here. We'll be able to actually manage all of our notifications. So then from here, you can actually manage your device notifications, and obviously if you do not want your community's notification, you can set that all. You can also set social notifications. Simply click on it, and if you want to like simply disable it, you can simply do that like this. So yeah, these were some hidden settings nobody actually knows about on Roblox.